Good morning, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update. And let's see futures. You can see yesterday futures were up here. Nasdaq futures were up right from buy zone, which was on Tuesday, to the sell zone, and right now it's here. So look to buy below 25,160 and look to take profit about 25,369. This is a big resistance area here. S&P 500, similar story. You can see from Tuesday till yesterday were hanging around in the resistance area or the sell zone and then gave back a little bit towards the end of the day. Right now here, so look to buy below 67.73 and look to sell above 68.14. Bitcoin, amazing trade. Bitcoin, you can see very nice moves from buy zone here on Tuesday to the sell zone yesterday, and then sell zone to the buy zone, and then again from buy zone to the sell zone. Amazing trades, just like unbelievable, beautiful trades here. So right now it's here. If you want to buy, wait for it to come back below 121646. This is the area you want to be buying, not here. Ethereum is still in the buy zone, a little bit weaker than Bitcoin, so just keep an eye on Bitcoin to trade Ethereum. And if you guys want to know more about these zones, subscribe to my channel. There's a Discord link in the description. Subscribe. For free, I'm giving you levels for Bitcoin. For other indices and stocks I'm buying and selling, you need to be a member, and you can join. And there's a description how to get a membership. All right, so let's go and look at other charts. Let's look at long-term charts of S&P 500. This is the one. I'm keeping an eye on RSI and see how things are going here. RSI still has room to go higher, but again, it's just hanging around this red line. So let's wait for a pullback. It's very hard to get any pullbacks. Okay, looks like people are just buying the dip. Ideal zone to buy is in the green area, but it's far away. But so any pullback, small pullbacks, even if we go to orange line, is very, very good. But we don't know when we're going to get a pullback because this is a very strong bull market. In terms of VIX is hanging around, just chopping around, nothing much here. S&P 500 hitting new all-time high, 68.02, so that's really good news. And in terms of gaps on SPX, we're getting a 8 count sell signal as well. So just be a bit careful here, although we are looking like everything is going higher. Whenever we get these sell signals, we get a little bit of decline next couple of days. So just be mindful of that. We could get a little bit of decline, but who knows when. And this is on SPY as well. We're getting the same indication. And Nasdaq also getting a 9 count sell signal on the futures. And this is NDX chart, same thing here. And then even triple Q, same thing here. One thing to note, we did not fill this gap. Yesterday we had a gap here, gap up on NDX, did not fill it. SPX did not have a gap. So there is a slight gap. So you might want to come back and fill that gap on both SPY and NDX. Sorry. Uh, okay, so that's on that. Bitcoin, after getting a 8 count sell signal, had a decline, finding support on this green line, and bulls are buying it again. So you can see nice support is developing here. And this is Ethereum is a little weaker than Bitcoin, so holding on this red line, 10 moving average. From in terms of gaps, a gap is all the way down to 110K. Okay, so just be mindful of that. There is still a gap there. You can see daily gap. That will be filled at some point, so just be mindful of that. Ethereum, there's a gap on the top around 48.27, at the gap at the bottom around 40.76, so it's in the middle, so we don't know which way it's going to go. In terms of Tesla is down pre-market, something going on with the US probe, US, yeah, oh, yeah, 2.9 vehicle probable traffic violation. So but again, this looks like this is a top for now, and we could be heading to like 395, then 367, and then here 338. Okay, so be careful. Nvidia, new all-time high. That's the only stock helping the market right now. Looks like everything else could be going down. Microsoft is also showing a 8 count sell signal, could be going low a little bit. Apple is also just flagging, nothing interesting here. Google is also a little bit weaker yesterday after 7 count sell signal. I'm looking to see if Facebook I can get any buying opportunities. AVG also had a very bullish day. CrowdStrike also very bullish day. And ServiceNow also looking good. Could be a good opportunity to buy here. Bond market is just kind of chopping around. So nothing much here, just between support and resistances. You really need that other indicator to trade bond, like this indicator here. I show you, and I can share these levels if you're interested in trading bond. Here you go, bond. You can see you really need to buy near green lines and sell near red lines. That's all it's doing in the bond world. Crude oil just holding nicely, getting a rejection here, so could be doing a double bottom, coming back here to 60.35 and bounce. Natural gas, after a massive sell-off yesterday, holding support, could be coming for this gap fill around 3.5. Gold just keep going higher. You can see on weekly getting an 8 count sell signal, so you can see very overbought even on weekly. So you don't want to be buying gold or silver here. You can see same story here. Could be a blow off top happening very soon. Who knows when, but very soon. Dollar is pushing higher. That's good news. Shopify also keeps going higher. And yeah, nothing else too interesting here in terms of other stocks. So anyhow, keep an eye on levels, guys, for the trade today. You know where to find these levels if you remember. So look to buy. I will be looking if we can get a decline. I'll be looking to load tqqq 0.66%. Let's see. Tesla already is near the buy zone, so look to buy below 428.93. Keep an eye on all these, and then Bitcoin, obviously. Okay, have a good one. Bye.